Good morning, everyone. Market's down big. I want to start with a classic from stock trading memes.
Stop! 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 Stop!
It deserves a second.
Stop! Stop! Stop!
Oh, thank you, stock trading memes, for that. I'm sure you guys could read the caption, but if you couldn't, it said the caption was bulls when the stock market is actually red on the day. Which, again, you guys know I'm not one of these fear-monger guys. The reason I loved that meme so much is, it's like, come on. Now I get it. Every short-selling genius on Twitter is going to be like, I told you so. I told you the world was ending. Meanwhile, I'm over here like, the market's 1% red. It's like, the stock market goes down sometimes. It's like, geez, oh, Pete. Lady, relax. So anyway, that being said, welcome back. And it reminds me of, a month ago, basically today. Remember on June 18th, I was like, listen, there's red days. It happens. It's not the end of the world. The news flow's not great. We got the Delta variant. We got all this social media battling. We got freaking, of course, Congress can't get anything done on an infrastructure bill. So, the news flow is pretty crappy. We got a red day. It is what it is. It is what it is. Don't lose it like that lady on stock trading memes. That being said, huge week of earnings. We're going into earnings season. Also understand, it is not unusual. It's not unusual for things to kind of slow down a little bit as we ramp into earnings season. Listen, I love trading earnings winners. I think it's one of the best ways to, especially, you'll hear me say this all the time. If you're new and or part-time, I beg you to focus specifically on earnings season. Again, if you're very, very busy, earnings season is like 6 weeks, 4 times a year. It's basically half the year. So that being said, again, it's not unusual for things to kind of quiet down as we ramp up into earnings season. Let's get to work. Edison asked about AEHR. So again, also, I'll end on this. Well, not end, but I'll end my 20-minute opening statement with this. There's time to go long, time to go short, time to go fishing. Days like today, big down days. I just tell you, listen, you don't have to trade every day. You shouldn't trade every day. Listen, again, if you're new, that's probably why you're here. If you're new, you shouldn't be trading every single day. You should be focusing on the best setups, etc. So just 1 second. So anyway, AEHR, some BS EV news. It's a breakout over 350. Dip and rip. Little higher float, but good volume. So AEHR, BS news on Monday. Good thing. Keep in mind, on days like today, big red days, I'm going to be a stickler about the 945 rule. And again, as always, I say, I'm boring, I'm old, blah, 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 blah. But when you got these big down days, I'm going to beg all of you to strictly enforce the 945 rule. And I know most of you are like, shut up, old man. I've made 15 trades already. Quit with your safe trading. I want to go out there, risk my entire account on a mediocre setup because that's what the cool bros do. We don't care that you've been around for 15 years. We don't care about your bald spot, your gray beard, etc., etc. Do what you want. I say if you're new, wait. Scott asked about NRXP. And it's not cool, it's not sexy, I get it, but whatever. Crappy biotech. Ah! Jeez. Do what you want, but wow. This, I mean, afternoon only, or look for pops against HOD for short. NRXP, Sketch Biotech, disaster. I gotta go all caps. Disaster chart and big down day. Afternoon only or short against HODs. Higher float, you know. They're in Delray Beach. Biotech in Delray Beach, huh? That's good looking. Geez, at first I thought it was a house. Kind of like an apartment complex. Across from the Delray Auto Mall. Well, it's some kind of off. I mean, I don't know. Kind of looks like this biotech is in a, like, duplex or something. But anyway, so afternoon only or short against HODs. Jeffrey asked about JZXN, the ticker that I can never, ever pronounce right the first time. This was a fail last week. China related. Blech. Yuck, yuck, yuck. Sorry. Now, and understand, you're going to get a lot of yucks out of me today, okay? It's shit. You know, I can't control big red days. Big red days, I think you got to be extra selective. So, I'm sorry. Sorry, don't yell at me. So, LCLP. I didn't decide, all the news. Oh, God, it's a OTC. What do I always say on OTCs? LCLP. I swear you guys like watching me type this. If you took the gap, sell the gap to morning panic dip buy 3 afternoon OTC swizzle. Same answer every PMP on a OTC breakout. I'm in too good of a mood to yell at the trolls. NVIDIA, thoughts on the split? I don't care about the split. I don't care. React, okay? We don't anticipate, we react. Play your guessing games if you want. Now, I will say this. Splits have been bullish. You look back at like Apple, you look back at Tesla, these splits have been bullish, but I'm not trying to play guessing games. Who cares? Let the split happen, see what the price action is. If there's incredible volume tomorrow morning and the stock is breaking key levels, if it's doing a dip and rip, if it's holding VWAP, et cetera, but quit playing guessing games, man. I don't understand why people want to play guessing games. It's like, just go. If you're trying to guess about stuff, just go to the casino. You get a free drink, You get to, at least if you go to the casino, you can people watch all the crazy people at the casino. You get a free drink. Hey, maybe you get a good steak dinner, but it's like, clove, dead. OXBR. Bums me out, but this is probably the best dip and rip. So, meh, but probably best dip and rip. So understand, when I call it probably the best dip and rip, it's just an okay. I mean, it's got news. It's some sketchy Cayman Islands SPAC. As I repeat this a million times, the dip and rip is designed for super duper sketchy stocks. This is a Cayman Islands SPAC it's okay. It checks the boxes. It's not my favorite, though. All right, I do need to run. Let's talk about my main. My main is SGOC. Nobody's asking about it. SGOC squeezed in after hours. Would love to see a VWAP reclaim on this. Currently 13. So on a crappy day, SGOC reclaim of VWAP. Currently 13 is my main. On a crappy day. So I will leave you with this, my friends. I hope you had a great weekend. I hope you have a great day. And as we make new lows, telling you, you don't have to trade every day. And if you're convinced that the best way to grow your account is trade every day, I don't know. I don't know what to tell you. It's just, take advantage of it. Read a book. Review your trades. Get outside. I listen, and this might be unpopular. I like days like this, especially after the last year and a half. I cherish days like this. After from spring 2020 to today, I'm like, thank God. Maybe I can actually see the sun today instead of sitting inside for 12 hours. So I don't know. So have a good day, my friends. There's a time to go long, time to go short, time to go fishing. I would focus strictly midday, late day. If you're throwing stuff at the wall this morning, I think you're gambling. Go get a free drink instead. Have a great day. And I think I got to end with that stock trading meme again. I feel like that's a good exit. Yeah, I like that. Instead of the normal music.
Stop!
I'm probably going to watch this like 1,000 times today.